Want to move your XRP Ripple into Trust Wallet? Here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, open Trust Wallet and then go to XRP and tap Receive. And copy the destination wallet and destination tag. You'll need both to receive your Ripple safely. Next, head over to your exchange and go to Withdraw. Select XRP, then paste your Trust Wallet address and make sure you enter the destination tag exactly how it's written. Choose the amount of XRP you want to send, review the network fee, and hit Confirm. The transaction usually processes in just a few seconds. Now, return to Trust Wallet, refresh the balance, and your XRP should appear. That's it. Your Ripple is now secure in your Trust Wallet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.